Hi! Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Hello, friends. It feels good to be here again, talking, learning, and sharing English together.
For anyone who's new here, I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack.
On this channel, we help you learn real, everyday English, the kind people actually use in daily life.
Yes, not textbook English, not boring English, but natural English you can feel and use.
And before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us reach more English learners around the world, and it tells us you enjoy learning with us.
Okay, today's episode is going to be very interesting.
Very interesting and very useful.
Because today, we're talking about one small word that English learners find very confusing.
A small word, but with many meanings.
Yes, today's topic is how to use get in English.
Okay, Emma, before we jump into the topic, can I ask you something?
Of course, what's going on?
Do you ever feel like you get tired of explaining the same thing again and again?
Yes, I get that feeling very often.
See? You already used get.
I didn't even notice.
Exactly. That's the funny thing about get.
It just appears everywhere.
Yesterday, I was talking to a student and they said, "Jack, I don't get."
That's very honest.
And very real. Many learners feel the same way.
I remember when I was learning another language, there was always one word like this.
A word that does too much.
Yes, you see it everywhere, but you're not sure what it means.
That's why today we're going to slow down.
We'll talk calmly.
We'll use simple examples.
And we'll learn get step by step, like friends chatting.
Okay, Emma, let's start very simply. When learners first see the word get, what do they usually learn?
Usually, they learn that get means receive.
Right, like,
I get a message.
I get an email.
I get a gift.
That's the basic meaning.
Yes, and that meaning is correct. But then, English starts to change. Yes, English becomes tricky.
Let's stay here for a moment. Get meaning receive.
Okay.
I'll give some examples and you can feel the meaning.
Perfect.
I got a call from my sister.
That means you received a call.
I got an email from my boss.
Again, you received it.
I got a present for my birthday.
Nice. What present did you get?
A book. A very boring book about productivity.
But maybe useful?
Maybe, if I ever read it.
See, dear listeners, get is a friendly verb.
Native speakers use get more than receive,
Yes, receive sounds more formal.
like emails or official letters.
But in daily conversation, people say get.
Now, this is where learners start to feel confused.
Yes, because get doesn't mean receive anymore.
Now get means become.
For example, I get tired after work.
That means you become tired. I get angry when I'm hungry.
Very honest.
I get nervous before speaking.
That's very common.
So here, get is about change.
Yes, a change in feeling, a change in situation.
You are not tired, then you get tired.
You are calm, then you get nervous.
This is very important for beginners.
Because English uses get to talk about life changes.
Emma, let's talk about feelings.
I love that.
Because learners want to express feelings.
Yes, emotions are part of real English.
So we say, I get sad sometimes.
I get happy when I listen to music.
I get excited about new plans.
And also, I get confused easily.
I get stressed at work.
I get bored on Sundays.
All of these are natural.
Very natural and very useful.
Emma, when do you usually get tired?
I get tired when I don't sleep well.
Same here. I also get tired after long meetings.
Do you get tired of social media?
Oh, yes. I get tired of scrolling and scrolling.
See, listeners, that's another use.
When we say, I get tired of something or I get bored of something, it means we experience that feeling.
I get tired of noise.
I get bored of waiting.
I get frustrated with slow internet.
That's very modern English.
Yes, very real life.
Here's a small tip for learners.
Yes, listen carefully. I get a present for my birthday.
I get angry when I'm hungry.
I get tired after work.
I get nervous before speaking.
You need to feel the meaning.
Don't try to translate every single word.
Instead, notice how it's used.
Listen to feelings, situations, changes.
And remember, get is a friendly verb.
Okay, Emma, do you remember a time when you really got confused in English?
Oh, yes, phrasal verbs with get.
Same here.
I remember thinking, why does one word do so much work?
English is lazy.
English likes short, flexible words.
That's why get is everywhere.
So today, we talked about get as receive, get as become, and get as feel or experience.
And don't worry if it still feels a little confusing.
That's normal.
Learning English is a journey.
And we're walking it together.
Now, in part 2, we are going to talk about how native speakers use get in daily life situations.
The kind of English you hear at home,
At work,
at friends.
and even when you're talking to yourself.
Okay, Jack, let me ask you something simple.
Go ahead.
What time did you get here today?
Ah, that's a perfect example.
Exactly.
I got here at 9:30.
So here, get means
It means arrive.
yes,
Not receive, not become, but arrive.
and this is very common in spoken English.
People say, "What time did you get home?"
Did you get to work on time?
"When did you get there?"
Native speakers almost never say arrive in daily conversation,
Arrive sounds formal.
like something written, but when speaking, people say get.
I usually get home around 7 p.m.
That's late. Yes, I get tired when I get home late.
See? So many gets in one sentence.
And it sounds completely natural.
Learners often think using get many times is wrong.
But for native speakers, it feels normal.
Okay, Emma, do you feel like time is moving fast these days?
Yes, and I feel like life is getting busier.
There it is again.
Getting busier.
So get is showing change over time.
Exactly.
We say, it's getting cold. The weather is getting better. My English is getting stronger.
That last one is very important for learners.
Yes, your English doesn't become perfect overnight.
It slowly gets better.
Little by little.
Jack, do you remember when you first started teaching?
Oh yes.
How did you feel?
Honestly, I was nervous.
Very nervous?
Very nervous. But over time, I got more confident.
That's beautiful.
Confidence doesn't come suddenly,
It grows.
just like language learning.
Let's talk about shopping.
Oh, I'm not very good at shopping.
That's okay.
People say, I need to get groceries. I'll get some coffee. I got a new phone.
So here, get means buy or obtain.
Yes, but again, it sounds more natural than buy.
For example, I'm going to buy some milk is correct.
But most people say, I'm going to get some milk.
Very casual. Very real.
Emma, after this recording, I think I'll get some coffee.
I thought you already had coffee.
That was 2 hours ago.
So you need to get more coffee.
Exactly.
This one is interesting.
Yes, many learners don't know this.
When we say, can you get Emma?
It doesn't mean buy Emma.
Please don't buy me.
It means call, bring, or contact.
For example, can you get the doctor? I'll get my friend. Please get your brother.
So get here means go and bring or go and contact.
Yesterday, my phone was in another room.
Oh no.
I said, can you get my phone for me?
Perfect usage.
Simple. Natural.
Okay, now we're entering dangerous territory.
Phrasal verbs.
But don't panic.
We'll take it slowly.
We say, get in the car, get out of the car.
In and out are about inside and outside.
Get in means enter. Get out means leave.
For buses, trains, and planes,
We say, get on the bus, get off the train.
learners mix this up a lot.
Yes, but don't worry, even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
I once told a student, get out the bus.
Oh no.
Yes, it sounded very strange.
It should be, get off the bus.
But everyone understood.
That's important.
Communication is more important than perfection.
This one is very important.
Yes.
When someone explains something and you understand, you say, I get it.
Not, I understand.
I understand is correct, but I get it sounds more natural.
And if you don't understand?
You say, I don't get it. I didn't get that. Can you explain again? I don't get it.
Very useful for learners.
Emma, sometimes learners feel shy to say, I don't get it.
Yes, but they shouldn't.
Not understanding is part of learning.
Every time you say, I don't get it, you're actually getting closer to understanding.
That's a beautiful way to say it.
If you're listening right now and thinking, this is a lot,
That's okay.
take a breath.
You're doing great.
You don't need to use all of these today.
Just notice them.
Listen for get in movies,
In podcasts.
in daily conversations.
Emma, I feel like this episode is really helping.
Me too. Get doesn't feel so scary anymore.
It feels friendly now. Okay, Emma, let's be honest for a moment.
Always.
Learners make mistakes with get,
Of course they do.
because get has many meanings.
And that can feel confusing.
But here's the truth.
Tell them.
Native speakers don't care if you use get perfectly.
Yes, they care if they understand you. Many learners stop speaking because they think too much.
They think, is this get correct? Should I say take? Should I say receive?
And then silence.
But real English doesn't work like that.
Real English is fast, emotional, imperfect,
Sometimes messy.
and that's okay.
A learner once said to me, I get very confusing.
Ah, yes.
Grammatically, it should be, I get confused.
But did you understand him?
Immediately.
That's the point.
So don't stop speaking just because of small mistakes.
Let's talk honestly.
Native speakers use get because it's easy.
They don't analyze grammar.
They feel the sentence.
For example, when something bad happens, they say,
I get it.
or I get so tired of this.
Or, I just can't get motivated today.
Notice something?
They're talking about feelings.
That's why get is powerful. Let's slow down here.
Yes, this is important.
We often use get with emotions.
For example, get angry, get excited, get nervous, get happy, get sad.
These are not textbook sentences.
These are life sentences.
Yesterday, I was waiting for a call.
Important call?
Very important.
And?
It didn't come.
Oh no.
I started to get anxious.
Perfect example.
Not I became anxious.
I got anxious.
Natural, human.
Emma, sometimes learners ask, how can I practice more?
And I always say,
You don't need more rules.
you need more exposure. Here's something very simple.
Tell them.
Every day, try to say 3 sentences with get.
Just 3.
For example, I get tired in the evening.
I get coffee every morning.
I didn't get enough sleep.
That's it.
No writing, no pressure.
Just speaking.
Emma, can I share a secret?
Please do.
I talk to myself.
We all do.
But I talk to myself in English sometimes.
That's a great habit.
When I wake up, I say, I need to get up.
Nice.
When I'm tired, I say, I'm getting sleepy.
Very natural.
When something clicks in my mind, I say, oh, I get it now.
That's exactly how native speakers think.
Let's imagine some daily moments.
Okay.
I need to get the laundry done.
I can't get comfortable.
I get bored when I stay inside all day.
I didn't get the email.
Let me get back to you.
I'm trying to get this finished.
I get what you mean.
I get excited when we travel.
I don't get why he's upset.
Emma, can I say something directly to our listeners?
Please.
Your English is not bad.
Yes.
You're just growing.
like a plant,
sometimes slowly,
sometimes fast.
but always moving forward.
If you're afraid to speak,
If you're scared of mistakes,
remember this,
children make mistakes every day.
and they still speak.
Fluency comes from courage, not perfection.
Okay, just one gentle tip.
Yes, not rules, just awareness,
In very formal writing,
like exams or official emails.
you might use other words.
But in speaking,
Get is your best friend. Let's practice softly.
repeat in your mind,
I'm getting better at English.
I'm getting nervous, but I still speak.
I don't get everything, and that's okay.
Beautiful sentences.
Emma, how do you feel now?
Honestly,
Yes,
I feel calm,
me too, because language should feel safe.
not stressful.
If this episode helped you,
Please hit the like button
subscribe to the channel.
and share it with someone who feels scared to speak.
Learning together is easier.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep speaking.
Keep making mistakes.
And remember,
You're not bad at English, you're just getting better.